Have you ever been in a room full of people and felt your heart racing, your hands sweating, and your mind going blank? You want to speak, to say something simple, but suddenly it feels impossible, as if every eye is watching you, judging every word. That's social anxiety. And if you've ever felt like this, you're not alone. Today, we're going to learn how to face it, step by step, without fear controlling your life. Hi, friends, welcome. Social anxiety is something many people struggle with silently. But here's the truth: overcoming it isn't about fighting yourself, it's about understanding yourself. Let's explore how. Step 1: understand your fear. Fear is not your enemy, it's a message. Social anxiety doesn't mean you're weak, it often shows you are sensitive and careful about how others see you. Ask yourself, what's the worst that could happen? What's the worst thing someone could think if I stumble over a word? Most of the time, your brain exaggerates the danger. Maybe someone pauses for a second, and that's it. No disaster happens. Understanding your fear allows you to respond calmly and rationally instead of punishing yourself. Example: imagine you forget a word while speaking. Most people either won't notice or will understand immediately. Your mind may have imagined ridicule, but in reality, it's harmless. Step 2: take small, gradual steps. You can't overcome anxiety just by thinking about it. You need real experiences, one small step at a time. Start with tiny actions. Ask a colleague for the time or for a simple fact. Say hello to a new neighbor or classmate. Share a small opinion in a group chat. These little steps train your brain to see that social situations are safer and easier than you imagined. Each success, no matter how small, builds confidence. Example: you might start with asking one question in a meeting. The first time, it feels terrifying. By the third time, you notice it wasn't so scary at all. Step 3: focus on the moment, not yourself. Anxiety makes you feel like you're on a spotlight, but here's the secret: people are too busy thinking about themselves to notice you as much as you think. Shift your focus from, how do I look? Will they judge me? To, what can I contribute right now? How can I make this conversation meaningful? When your focus moves outwards, your tension drops naturally. You stop over-monitoring every movement, every word, every facial expression. Step 4: use your breath as a secret weapon. Before a challenging moment, your heart races, thoughts scatter, and your body tenses. Here's a simple, powerful breathing technique. Inhale slowly for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 2 seconds. Exhale gently for 6 seconds. Repeat 3 times. It signals your nervous system to calm down. Your body realizes, I am safe, I can handle this. Example: before speaking in a group, try this breathing. You'll notice your hands stop shaking, your heart slows, and your mind clears. Step 6: set clear, achievable goals. Without goals, progress is random. Make them specific and measurable. I will speak for 2 minutes in front of a small group this week. I will say hello to one new person each day. Small, clear goals turn fear into a plan. Each completed goal is a win that your brain remembers. Step 6: don't hesitate to ask for help. Many people struggle for years in silence. Professional support changes lives. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, is highly effective. It doesn't change who you are, it helps you become who you want to be, free from fear. Example: someone who avoided all social events for years can, after guidance, speak in front of a small audience and enjoy it. Remember, social anxiety doesn't define you. It reflects your fears, not your value or potential. Change happens slowly, drop by drop, until your confidence fills the cup. True courage isn't the absence of fear, it's moving forward despite it. Now, I have a question for you. What's one small step you can take today to face your social anxiety? Write it in the comments below. And if this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share it. It might just help someone else take their first step too.